Hey guys, it is Vlogmas day 7 and I am going to work on some cleaning today. I really like watching cleaning videos, so my son's trying to get me. He loves blowing on my tummy, so that's what he's trying to do. He calls it poo-poo tummy. So I know, just a minute. I never ignore him. He just tries to get to me all the time, so he can wait just a minute. So today I love watching cleaning videos. Sometimes I don't really like sharing my own cleaning videos because it can be kind of messy, you know, but it's real life. So I am going to clean our dining room, and this is kind of used as our place to eat, which is also used for my son's crafts. And the table gets pretty dirty from food and his crafts, so I'll be scrubbing that down, scrubbing his high chair down, and probably trying to organize this area. Here, I'm going to turn the camera around. So as you walk into this room, you can just see it's mostly a playroom for my son, and I keep some of my stuff that I'm working on up there as well as my purse. So I just like to have this room be a little bit more functional and a little bit tidier. Especially up here, this has kind of been a catch-all area. I don't really like that, so I will get things cleaned up. Here's what my son has been doing. Hi, Jonathan. While I've been cleaning. See how I need to clean the table? And it gets like this every day. So I do clean it more often than it looks like. He loves to rip paper, so I get cheap paper and let him just go at it. We don't let him do this all the time, so we're not wasting tons and tons of paper. But I'll give him a few sheets here and there, and I did give him markers and encourage him to draw, which he did some, as you can see. There's some under here that he did. He loves doing dots and writing his name, or trying to write his name, and doing lots of smiley faces. So he does like a dot dot, and all of these swishes are the smiley face, and he says, "Happy face, happy face." So now, let me just give you a quick look at the room. So I've removed some things. Get down. Do not. Please. So he wants the crayons. I'll go ahead and give those to him. Just a minute. Yep, he's getting me. So I'm going to leave most of this kind of cluttered look because I do want it there, and I can't think of a better way to do it right now. These are our library books, which I've already told you guys I like to keep away from our regular books so that I don't lose them. And I'm going to go ahead and try to tackle what's in these boxes. Okay, so my daughter's tripod doesn't have a phone holder. Well, she has it, but it's with her, so I'm gonna get that, but for now I cannot figure out how to get my camera to stay in a good angle to film me going through these boxes. So what I'm gonna do is just kind of show you what it looks like now and then what it looks like after. Sorry. Okay, I'm gonna try to organize these things into groups. Here is what we've ended with in our little toy organization area. Up here on the top, I want to keep my purse, and this is my journal and my planner on top with all my stickers. I think I'm gonna move my stickers somewhere else, but right now I don't know where I want them to go. So my son is coming to get me yet again. He's probably gonna start making a mess. So while I was doing this, I kind of came to the conclusion that I don't really care if things are organized or not in here as far as being in the bins. So I think as long as it looks neat and tidy in the bins, my son's gonna take them out throughout the day and mess them up. So at the end of the day or throughout the day, I'm just gonna throw them back in there. And the only thing I could think of is if he's not playing with a certain toy, maybe I'll take it out and put it out on one of the cubbies just openly so that he can see it again as kind of like a rotation. Sometimes I think you just have to choose your battles, and that's one thing. Here is a quick after of my kitchen. I just remembered that we haven't finished painting the kitchen. So we have white up on the top cabinets and then a grayish blue on the bottom, and we're gonna finish that. We might replace the flooring before we move out. We are probably going to sell this house and buy another house in about a year and a half. So just deciding whether it's worth it or not for us. But this is just a little area that we need to finish, and then this over here. So I did a quick cleanup, just did the dishes and everything. I also want to mention that my house is not a showroom house, it's a lived-in house. I am not a fancy mom vlogger, and all of this should be very obvious by now. But I love keeping this area clean. If I have this area cleaned off, I just feel like my life is in order. So that's important to me. The rest of this stuff, as long as it's clean, we use all this stuff every day, so I don't really want to put it away and make it look like a sterile area, if that makes any sense. And my son is playing over here. Just to quickly let you know, or show you, this is how our house looks every day, and I just pick up all of his toys every night. He can't really understand everything that we say just yet. He is learning, and so I'm thinking I'm gonna have him start helping us clean up. So we'll see how that goes, and maybe I'll be able to vlog some of it as well. All right, here is our Brewers Advent. Go ahead. It's for today, and you're doing the 6th. Okay.
Right, so I'm
You're behind.
Oh, fancy.
Sorry about the background music. Jonathan's watching.
Something called Keller beer, which I've never heard about.
Okay.
Here it is.
Verdict is?
It doesn't have a lot of flavor.
Oh. It's a sparkling water beer.
Like, it's got, you know, it's got some body to it, but the flavor is very muted.
Okay, I don't like it. I think it's a 0 out of 5 stars. What do you count it as?
I wouldn't be that harsh. I mean, it's definitely drinkable. Actually, I could see this being a really nice summer beer, but other than that, it's nothing spectacular. I'd give it a 3 out of 5.
Okay. Alright guys, I'm gonna go ahead and wrap up this vlog. I just wanted to show you our dinner. I haven't plated it yet, but it is butter noodles with some Parmesan cheese. And then here in the oven is a bunch of roasted veggies. Oh my gosh, the dog. And it looks pretty good, so we will see you tomorrow. I hope you guys enjoy the cleaning today. Bye.